Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Today, we are going to talk about the expression, have too much on my plate. Have you heard of this expression before? What does it mean? The expression, have too much on my plate, indicates that someone is very busy, or that someone has too many things to deal with or worry about. Now, let's look at how it's used in a conversation. Conversation example number 1. Hi, Lynn. Could you please help me write a resume? I need a job. I'd like to help you out, but I just moved to a new house. I just have too much on my plate right now. That's okay. I can ask Lisa. Enjoy your home. So as you can see in this conversation, B is saying that she is so busy that she can't help Lynn out because she just moved to a new house. So there's a lot of things going on in her life right now. All right? Okay, let's go to the next example. Conversation example number 2. Can you be my maid of honor to my wedding? Sure. What happened to your sister Emily? She just got promoted and now she's relocating to Indonesia. She has too much on her plate these days. I understand. No problem. So as you can see in this conversation, her sister, Emily, can't help her out in her wedding because she has too much on her plate. That means she's really, really busy. Okay? All right. Now it's your turn. Answer this question. Are you stressed at work? At home? Why? Answer in the comment section using the expression. This is a great way to practice using the expression we learned today. Just type in your sentence and I'll be sure to respond to each one. Don't be shy. I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.